What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How everybody doing? I hope you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I pray that we end this week, but not only this week, but this month of September in a great way. Well, this is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be a trade breakdown of how I punished myself, of how I did BS yesterday, and how I burnt myself with some volcanic lava, right? But before we continue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload new videos. Sorry, and don't forget to do the far most important thing is to sign up, to click the link on the description to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade. As you guys can see that we're rocking this today. Y'all can tell us nothing, but when you get to the charts and when we hit the charts, this video won't be too long. This video won't take too long. I'm gonna keep shit real, straight, legit, and far most importantly short, right? So now, when you guys remember that our outlook, we did say on gold that we don't have a trade idea, but we're waiting for confirmation into what we have to do. Are we still gonna look to buy, or is price looking to sell? We don't know. We're only waiting for confirmations, right? So yesterday when I woke up, I saw that okay, let me do this from the daily time frame so you guys can understand, right? So on the daily time frame, when I zoomed this out, you can tell price reacted one time, came back again. So price was holding this zone as some type of support, as some resistance, I mean, right? Resistance until now we came back to this very same zone. So when we came back to this very same zone yesterday, okay, Wednesday, when we closed Wednesday, we closed on this very same zone, this major zone. So we are above the zone. Obviously, you guys know it. Then when we are above a certain zone, we be bullish. When we below, we be bearish, right? So when I looked at yesterday's sentiment, I can tell that okay, price is bearish, but price closed above a certain zone. With that being said, what I be looking for today? Looking for only two things. Are we gonna continue bearish based on the momentum or the sentiment, or are we gonna look to reverse in some terms, price having some bear depletion and bullish momentum, and look for possible reversal, right? So the daily, that was it. Looking at the 4 hour, I can tell okay, the 4 hour closed right there, but we started rejecting. We started having some depletion, some bear depletion, right? So when we had bear depletion, I told myself one day, if the 4 hour in some terms gives me a bullish momentum candlestick, then I would look for a possible reversal, right? But if we get bear momentum, then obviously I continue moving to the downside, right? So on the hourly, that's where the magic happened. So when we hit the chart on the hourly, and guys, never mind me, right? I'm kind of sick. I think I caught some flu, but on God, I'm gonna be healed. So I did this yesterday, right? Because I now know that I have the zone that I need to look at, right? I have those lows that I need to look at. So when I now marked out this highs and had this lows marked out, I told myself two things, like I said on the 4 hour. Are we gonna get bullish momentum and look to be bullish, or are we gonna still close below or break below the lows and continue moving to the downside, right? So it moved, right? Price moved. 9 a.m. we attempted to break, but unfortunately we couldn't break, right? But we did nothing at that time. So the London session, nothing happened. When we head down to the New York session, 1400, an hour before our New York session, right, I saw that okay, price is still on this very same zone, and price is trading above, because it happened that price traded above, right? So once price traded above, guys, I need you to understand this. This video could have been a psychology video. When price traded above this very same zone, one, I felt FOMO. Two, I felt like price will react without me in the markets. That's 4 more, right? Feeling left out. 3, I wasn't patient enough to wait for a candle close, because I mainly trade based on how is the candlestick opening or closing, right? I didn't wait for a candle close. And 4, I didn't close this trade when I had the time, right? I didn't close this trade when I had the time. Like, I didn't cut the loss short when I had the time for it, right? In that instance, in that way, shit burnt me, right? So when I saw that, okay, FOMO tackled me, impatience tackled me, and not managing my risk tackled me, that somehow fucked me up yesterday. Well, it didn't fuck up my trading account per se, but my psychology, my emotions, my patience, my discipline, that whole thing kind of tempted me or put me in a wrong state of mind yesterday. But because I know that, okay, shit like this happens, right? You can sometimes be overconfident because you believe that price will do a certain thing that you feel like it will do, but unfortunately shit burns you, right? So now, yesterday, this was something that I wasn't supposed to do, right? Because I went against my trading plan. I wasn't patient, I felt FOMO, and I didn't manage my risk, right? This kind of tackled me. But because you will never learn if you don't take an L, then I guess I had to take an L so I can fucking learn, right? So guys, I need you to understand one thing. How it all happened didn't determine how it was gonna end, right? But how I had to react based on the market movement, it kind of fucked me up, right? So this trade wasn't very wrong, but at the same time, you guys know that I always talk about what? Push, exhaustion, possible push, right? So something like this happened and there was nothing for me to do. Nothing. Because now it's all based on how you trade and all based on how you manage your risk and how you stay longer in the game, right? So I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you take something from this video, and I hope you don't do what I did, because it's very wrong, right? You don't go against your plan. You don't let FOMO tackle you. You don't let your impatience fuck you up, and you find, most importantly, don't have to have the faith where you believe that price will reverse like price won't hit your stop, when you can clearly see that there's a high possibility that price might hit my stop. Manage your risk. So without further ado, people, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload new videos, and to sign up with the broker that I use by clicking the link on the description. Quick trade, so I can put game into your trading life. But without further ado, people, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the care. I hope and I pray that we hit 50 million subscribers within whatever duration. I feel it in a year. I hope and I pray that we hit that milestone, and I still pray that whatever that happens, I'ma be with you guys all the time. This is your boy Harlem. That's all I got in this video.